Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Lindsay and I do fun videos for hair, makeup, skincare, and all sorts of that kind of stuff. So if you are interested in seeing what's in the winter edition of my FabFit Fun Box, stay tuned and watch. This is going to be a completely blind open again because for some reason my emails keep going to my spam folder. So I have not been able to customize this box at all yet again, but that's okay. It kind of makes it a little more fun. So if you want to see what's in my box, stay tuned and we will get started. So this is, oops, it's upside down. This is one of my favorite little surprises for myself. I love getting these boxes. I used to do, what was the little one, Ipsy, but I didn't need, I have enough travel size samples to last anyone 2 lifetimes. So I decided to stop doing that, and I now do this. It's quarterly. It's such a good price. It's only $50 a quarter, and I get little seasonal treats that just always feel good. So magazine, Hello Fresh coupons. Let's just get started. Oh, this looks like a good one. Okay, so the first thing I see is this adorable, I don't even know, balm to oil, nourishing balm to oil. I love that packaging. It's so cute. I should have my glasses on. Squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Used as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. This sounds like it's right up my alley. You all know I have the driest skin all winter long, and I literally am slathering myself with whatever I can get my hands on. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Frankbody.com. What is this? Original. Ooh, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Original Coffee Scrub, 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. Very excited. I love a scrub. I love, love, love a body scrub. I have one from, I think it was this summer. I have these sugar cube scrub things. And then I have one, I think one of my clients got it for me in Florida last year, and it's with coconut oil and lime. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So this will be great. So I love scrubs, especially in the winter time. Ooh, Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask. I feel like even though I didn't get to choose anything in this box, it was very customized to me and my winter skin. You know, I do hair, so I'm always in the water and chemicals. So, ooh, this is a 2-pack it looks like. So, Super Hydrating Hand Mask. Guess you just put it on and let it sit. Put your palms in the air if you have tired, dry hands. There we go. Formulated with a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, and vitamin E. Instantly smooth and rejuvenate hands back to their best. So there's gloves in here in foil packaging. Slip them on, fasten them, 15 to 20 minutes. Take them off and then gently pat in the excess essence. So that's from Nails Inc. London. Sounds awesome. What's this? Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rudile. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. So you know, if you've been watching my videos, my ultimate goal is to have glowy skin that doesn't need a lot of foundation or makeup. And I found a Glam Glow product. That's my glow moisturizer. I use that almost every day. But it doesn't have enough hydration alone, is what I've realized. But it's still, I need that glow. So this is cute. I love a squeeze glass bottle dropper. Love it. It's so pretty. So this has been outside a little bit in the cold, so it's probably not very liquidy right now. But that looks super fun. And it's a primer, so I'm assuming you put it on before everything else. Illuminate, glow, and be radiant with soft focus glow drops formulated with actives to brighten the complexion whilst providing the perfect skin perfecting primer base for makeup. Can also be used alone for naturally dewy skin. Perfect, because I do like to be able to use products by themselves as well. This is a big box, guys. This has a lot of stuff in it. Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. So that'll be great for blowing out your hair. Love all that. I'm always trying to find things that are going to add shine, softness, and make my blowout faster for my natural beaded rose extensions. So I'm literally always trying out new products on my hair. So that'll be fun. I'll let you know about that. Bandu Bluetooth shower speaker. Oh my God! I can totally listen to my podcast while I'm in the shower now. My husband's going to be so annoyed. How cute is this, guys? Oh my God, I am so in love. I've never even seen something like this. So it squishes up to the, where do you plug that in though? You can't plug that in. This, oh, it must be rechargeable. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be so productive even while I'm showering. USB charging cord. Oh, that's awesome. The things you never even knew you needed. Oh, I still have a couple of things. What's this? Ooh, oh my gosh. Look at how big this candle is. It's from Jonathan Adler, Fleur de Sel. Oh my gosh. And I love that it's bougie parfumé. It's French for scented candle, but it sounds really bougie. I have been loving candles again lately. This is so cute. Ceramic container. Just cute, classic. It doesn't smell amazing. It smells clean. It smells like linen, clean, laundry kind of stuff. It's very pretty though. It looks like one of those salt holders, which is probably why it's called that. So that is awesome. I'll put that on my stove. It's very kitchen-y. And then I think there's just one more thing. Oh my gosh, makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Okay, antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin. Get out. #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Oh my God, you don't even know. Guys, I've been using like anything I can to make it easy and fast at night, especially when I'm tired, but I still want to take my makeup off. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye makeup wipes forever. This is going to change my life. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you first wash, then you wet, then you erase, and it exfoliates. Wash approximately 1 to 2 times per week. So you have to make sure you're not just using it every day of your life and not washing it. Oh, it's very soft. That's going to feel really nice. And you don't need cleanser with it. Special blend of polyester. That doesn't sound very cute. Works like a suction cup, made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers. 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair. Adheres to makeup and gently pulls it up and out of the skin. Free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and sulfates. No more wipes. Okay. I am so excited to try this. I'm going to use this today. It erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more. We'll see about that. I feel first try and review coming up on this lovely little thing. That's awesome. I'm so excited about that. I don't even know how to explain it, guys. So fun. All right, so overall, I would say this is definitely a win. There's nothing in here that I'm like, it's all right. It's all pretty amazing stuff. That's the thing I love about this box is that it's all super high-end, full-size products. You never know exactly what you're going to get, but it's always going to be something amazing. Some of it is brands that you've heard before, some of it is up-and-comers, and it's all always amazing. So, can't wait to try these things and fill you in on how cool, hi kitty, how cool they all are. Love that shower speaker. I can't even believe I've never thought about that before. Who knew? And this balm, that looks amazing. So excited. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for vintage packaging, vintage anything. Okay, guys, let me know if you guys love your FFF box. Do you customize? Do you not customize? Like, how do you know? Like, I like the surprise. I like to have a little idea, so sometimes I'll do those, like, you can customize the 3 products, but yeah, I'm excited. Super excited. All right, thanks for watching. If there's anything special that you want to see, just comment below. And also, don't forget, Natural Beaded Rose Extensions is my jam, so click the link in my bio if you are ready to start your journey with that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.